Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice math problem. X raised to power 3 plus 2xy plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 50. Also, x plus y is equal to 5. We want to find the value of x as well as the value of y from this given nice equation. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now here, we have x raised to power 3 plus 2xy plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 50. Let us call this equation 1. And also, we have x plus y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 2, x plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Now from equation 1, which is s raised to power 3 plus 2xy plus y raised to power 3 is equal to 50. Let us substitute for y equal to 5 minus x. That is s raised to power 3 plus 2s bracket y is 5 minus x plus y raised to power 3 is 5 minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 50. Now let us expand this first. 2x bracket 5 minus s, this is equal to 2s times 5, this is 10x minus 2s times minus s times this is the same thing as s raised to power 3 plus 2x multiplied by 5. This is 10x minus 2x multiplied by x, 2x square. Let us expand this. 5 minus s raised to power 3. Now take note of this, that if you have a minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a raised to power 3 minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b raised to power 3. And from here, a is equal to 5, b is equal to x. So this is the same thing as 5 raised to power 3 minus 3 bracket 5 square bracket x plus 3 bracket a is 5 bracket b is s square minus b raised to power 3, that is s raised to power 3. Then 5 minus x raised to power 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. This is 125 minus 5 squared, that is 25 times 3, that is 75 times s, 75x plus 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 times s square, 15 s square minus s raised to power 3. Now let us compute the whole of this. We have s raised to power 3 plus 10x minus 2s square plus 125 minus 75s plus 15s square minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 50. This is s raised to power 3 minus this s raised to power 3, then plus here we have minus 2s square, that is this, then plus 15s square, plus here we have 10x, then this is minus 75x plus this 125 is equal to 50. Now here, s raised to power 3 minus s raised to power 3, this is 0. Then minus 2s square plus 15s square, this is plus 13s square. Then 10x minus 75x, that is minus 65x plus 125 is equal to 50. This is 0 plus this is 13s square minus 65s plus 125 minus 50 is equal to 0. Then we have 13s square minus 65s, 125 minus 50. This is plus 75 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 13, b is equal to minus 65, c is equal to 75. S is equal to minus bracket minus 65 plus or minus square root of minus 65 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 13 multiplied by c is 75 over 2 multiplied by 13. S is equal to minus times minus 65. This is 65 plus or minus square root of minus 65 square. That is 4,225. Then minus 4 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 75. That is 3,900 over 2 multiplied by 13. This is 26. S is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 4,225 minus 3,900. That is 325 over 26. Then square root of 325 is equal to 18.03. So S is equal to 65 plus or minus 18.03 over 26. Now S is equal to 65 plus 18.03 over 26, or S is equal to 65 minus 18.03 over 26. Then this is S is equal to 65 plus 80.03. This is 83.03 over 26. And if you divide 83.03 by 26, this is approximately 3.19. Then also here, we have 65 minus 80.03. S is equal to 46.97 divided by 26. Then S is equal to 1.81, because this is approximately equal to 1.81. Therefore, S1 is equal to 3.19 and S2 is equal to 1.81. We've gotten the value of S1 and S2. Let us solve for Y1 and Y2. From equation 3, Y is equal to 5 minus X. Now, Y1 is equal to 5 minus X1 is 3.19. Then Y1 is equal to 1.81. Also, Y2 is equal to 5 minus S2. Y2 is equal to 5 minus S2 is 1.81. Y2 is equal to 3.19. This is the value of Y2. And this is the value of Y1. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 3.19, 1.81. Then S2, Y2. This is equal to 1.81, 3.19. These are the final answer. But if you don't want to use calculator, you may also leave your answer in this form. That is, from S is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 325 over 26. Now this is the same thing as 65 plus or minus 325 is 25 multiplied by 13, then over 26. S is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 25. This is 5, then root 13 over 26. Therefore, S1 is equal to 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26, and S2 is equal to 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26. We've gotten the value of x1 and x2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. From same equation 3, y is equal to 5 minus x. Y1 is equal to 5 minus x1 is 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26. Y1 is equal to, this is over 1, the LCM is 26. If you multiply 26 by 5, this is 130. Then, and open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26. Y is equal to 130 minus 65. This is 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 5 minus s2 is 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26. Y2 is equal to 130 minus 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26. Y2 is equal to 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26, 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26. S2, y2 is equal to 65 minus 5 root 13 over 26, 65 plus 5 root 13 over 26. Then we may also check to confirm our answer. Then let me check using this equation 2, which is x plus y is equal to 5. To check, we have the given equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now, if x is equal to 3.19 and the y is equal to 1.81, then we have 3.19 plus 1.81 must be equal to 5. Then if you add these two together, this is 5 is equal to 5, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.